Have you ever missed a call because your phone didn't ring long enough? Today, I'm going to show you how to take control of your O2 mobile using a simple network code that forces your phone to ring for as long as possible. The default voicemail trap. By default, O2 often sets a voicemail trap where your phone only rings for about 15 seconds. That is the bare minimum time to reach your device before the network intercepts the call and sends it to your inbox. To fix this, we use the master delay code, which is this code that you see in front of you. This specific sequence is confirmed to work on any O2 mobile. So to execute this, what you have to do, it's very easy. You just open your phone's default dialer as if you were dialing out a normal call and type in the code exactly as shown and hit the green call button as if you were making a standard phone call. The most important part of this code is the final 2 digits, which control the exact length of the delay before the voicemail kicks in. You can choose your exact ring time in 5-second intervals, starting from 5 seconds to all the way up to a maximum of 30 seconds. If you want the maximum time, use 30 at the end of the code. Once you hit call, your screen might briefly go blank or show a system message. Once you see a notification saying registration successful, your new longer ring time is locked in. But what if the system rejects it? Occasionally, modern smartphone settings can block the USSD programming codes. If that happens, don't worry. There is a forced bypass protocol. If the code fails, try this. Turn off your Wi-Fi completely and temporarily change your mobile network type to 2G only. Once those are changed, dial the code again and it should go through. If you are expecting a critical call and can't risk it going to voicemail at all, you can use a complete override. Dialing 1760 will switch your O2 voicemail completely off. When you're ready to start catching messages again, you can instantly reactivate your standard voicemail routing by dialing 1750. So you have 3 main options. Use the extended ringing code for daily flexibility, dial 1760 to kill voicemail for critical calls, or dial 1750 for your standard daily use and meetings. You no longer have to operate on the network's default terms. You now have the commands to decide exactly when and how your calls are intercepted. Here is your master cheat sheet. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot of these codes so you always have them on your camera roll when you need them. And thanks for watching.